Okay. What's smaller drumsticks than this? Could this be the saviour? Chicken cottage? You're on your last legs. Let's wing it in. Come on. They're just disgusting.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh, no. Really?
I'm not doing that. Ready? Let's go, mate, all right? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Food Review Club, the page that brings you the best food reviews, those hidden hotspots, undercover gems, fast food specials around the UK. Right, this video, before we crack on and get into the nuts and bolts of it, the video is brought to you by Nova Insurance, a major sponsor of our page. So go and give them a follow, give them a like, give them a click. They've got all your insurance needs covered. Commercial, business, the lot. Link below to their website, go and check them out. Nova Insurance. Burn that logo into those retinas of yours before we crack on to Chicken Cottage. Now, man's been out in London today. I think we're 8 reviews deep. Doing some fancy places. Salt beef, seafood, urchins, Iraqi kebabs. I'm near the Shard, Tower Bridge Way, I think, Bermondsey. £1 million flats, big buildings, cool. See a chicken cottage, my eyes light up. I've got to try it. Get inside. Oh, there's bird shit in my car. I'll just say, by the way, come over this. This is my Range Rover, by the way, people. I've had my wing mirror smashed off by a lorry driver. Found my wing mirror though. Jess dived out the car and got it, and I've clicked it back in. Very scratched and damaged, but it's salvageable. Anyway, fuck you to the lorry driver as well. Closing in on my lane. Didn't he, Jess?
I can't remember. It all
Did you
happened
get the
so
paintwork?
fast.
No. It's just literally the wing mirror.
No, it's just the wing mirror.
Cool. Right. I was excited until I just pulled these chips out. Oh my God. Did he shake them off? Or was that just like pure 100% grease? Chicken cottage, here we go. So we've got the peri-peri dust on these. You can see some like good dipping chips. Here we go. Long chip alert. Whoa! Here we go. You know what? That peri-peri dust, however greasy these chips are, gives it a wicked flavour. And now, oh my God. Grease. Not bad though, in a weird kind of way. I feel like I've had some good food today. This is probably not at the higher end of the spectrum. Chicken cottage, here we go. Chicken cottage, this is the first time I've been on the page. I think it might be, you know.
I don't know if they're like a chain.
Can I just say something, please? Guys, if you love fried chicken, fast food like this, give this video a share. Spread the love of fried chicken. I don't really care how shit this food is. I think I'm not kind of gonna like it. I love fried chicken. Love a chicken burger. Love chicken. Love wings. Love barbecue. Love drink watch. All these terrible drinks that are full of E-numbers. I don't even know what is going on with this. That says gout orange. So basically gonna kill you. Gout orange. All right, here's the chicken burger. We're expecting big things. Jesus Christ. That's tiny, isn't it? That's a little bit of char on top. Yeah, it's tiny. One of these little, terrible little buns. Massive dollop of mayo. Not.
I'm gonna say. You're right, mate.
Who did this? You got a mayonnaise shortage. Either that or the buns soaked it all up. All right. Here's the electric scooter. Look. Good old boy. We got a bit of mayo underneath.
Got more under there.
Got more underneath. This is getting tense.
It's quite a big bit of chicken.
I just hope it's cooked. Sesame seeds on top, regular bun. Quite a very small bub. That is very. Look at this. You know,
You've got
size
small
of
hands though.
Here we go. That's dry as anything. And needed more mayo. We do a trick? No tricks. that was shit.
It's too cool for you.
Don't think it's too cool for me, my love. Right, one more bite before I give you my final conclusion. Kind of a good crunch. Flavour of the outer coating is kind of nice. Chicken, a little bit dry. As soon as you urge on the dry side, it can really dry your mouth out. Quite cardboard-like texture. Interesting. Still, like fried chicken, so yeah. It's all going on here.
How much did you spend in there?
All of this, chips, burger, drink, and this is what the people came to see. 6 quid. Or 7.
7.
7 quid. These are the barbecue wings. This is my one piece. Oh, it's just greasy. Look at that. See how greasy that is?
Oh,
It's like dripping. Well, I know people say, what would you expect? Expect a decent bit of food. Don't care how cheap it is. Serve standards, yeah? Hello, mate.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm very, very hungry. Do you have £1, £2, please?
I haven't got any money on me. You can have some of this food if you want.
Excuse me. Do you have £1, £2?
No. We've got food though.
Do you want some chips?
Do you have
Got some chips.
Do you have £5, £10?
No.
Got
No,
chips.
we've got no money on us. Alright. I feel like we offered him the solution to the problem very quickly there. Excuse me, I'm very hungry. I actually saw that guy earlier. That was the guy that was kicked off of that woman. We gave him £1 and he said, no, I can see a £5 in your wallet.
Shut up.
Yeah, no, he's the one. That was the one at the chicken shop. Bless him up. Like, anyway, don't worry. It was quite funny though. We did offer him the solution to the problem there. I'm very hungry. We've got food. Well, I don't want to eat it, mate. It's going in the bin.
Maybe he's vegan. You know,
Maybe he was vegan.
Maybe he was vegan. Maybe he didn't fancy chicken.
£1,
cottage.
£2, £5, £10. Got food, bruv. I'll buy him a meal if he wants it. All right, anyway, back on track. Chicken. Look at my fingers. Coming up close to my fingers. Look at that oil. Wow. At the best chicken shops, you don't get any of that stuff. See, I wanted to break this up to see if it was cooked. All right, here we go. Just gonna dive in for this one piece. It's a grease fest. It's a grease fest. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Food upset. I saw this shop, chicken, yes. Thought you guys at home might have thought we were going too fancy. Forgotten our roots. Not going to kebab shop, we're going to an Iraqi kebab. Onto salt beef and chips. Modern Argentinian steak sandwich. The modern fast food takeaway. I wanted to come back to this place. Dog shit. Greasy. I don't know why the second bit then.
I think the wings are okay.
Yeah, well, they better be. We've got one chance to save this now. It's a barbecue wing. COVID cough. Here we go. Big wing. Okay. Okay. That's smaller drumsticks than this. Could this be the saviour? Chicken cottage? You're on your last legs. Let's wing it in. Come on. They're just disgusting.
Oh god.
Oh,
Oh no. Really?
I'm not eating that.
Let's just go.
It's one of the most worst things I've ever put in my mouth. Why did I spit it out and not swallow? That had a funky, disgusting flavour to it. Right, it might just be me. Get this absolute shit off my bonnet. Chicken cottage, you've got to do better than this. I'm sorry, guy inside was quite nice as well. Man,
Oh look.
oh my god. My detailer, John Peck from Detailed. Sorry, bruv. Right. Yeah, get some orange gout inside me. If we contemplate our score today. %100% chemicals. Good stuff. Not a lot went right for that. Other than the score, I think it's pretty poor. Had the greasiest, most disgusting chicken.
Other than the score?
I don't know why I said that for. Other than the price.
Oh.
That's what I meant to say.
Okay.
Other than the price, 6-7 quid for that. It's not bad. You eat quite a lot of food. If you're looking for volume of food, that's probably ticking a lot of boxes. You're looking for quality, taste, produce. That's not it. That was really bad. My recommendation to you guys at home, avoid chicken cottage. Also, if you're from London, get in the comments now, after you've given it a share, of course, and let me know, are all chicken cottages the same? Like a KFC, or are they independents that some are good, some are bad? Is it worth me trying out more chicken cottages? Please get in the comments. Let me know. There might be a banging one in somewhere. This might be known to be shit. I thought it would be good though. We're in a really nice area. Wow. Time for a score. That, all in all, that was just like a greasy, disgusting mess. That is the epitome of UK shitty chicken chops. No disrespect to them, but it's no standards, no pride in what they were delivering. Really poor, no flavour, no, not a lot of taste. In fact, it was repulsive. The wings are disgusting. These places should be shut. If you're not going to have any pride in what you serve in, just shut your doors. You've got a responsibility to people who love good fast food, even though it's fast food, yeah, and it's cheap, but still, deliver your promise. Have a bit of style, a bit of panache, yeah? I'm gonna give that, on price alone, chips weren't too bad, 1.8. I think they're lucky to get that, to be fair. Just shit. Sorry, guys. This is what we do on Food Review Club, trying to be as honest as upfront as possible. Bless up to everyone, viewers new and old. If you're watching on YouTube, give us a subscribe, please. We're trying to grow our YouTube channel. If you're watching on Facebook and like YouTube as well, go and check us out on there. There's going to be some unique content going on YouTube very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're now going for a night at the Shard. I'm treating a wife. Should be cool. Follow on Instagram as well, because there'll be some inside stories of the Shard. I've never been up the Shard. I'm about to take my wife up the Shard. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's a review.